So what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. We are outside right now. We are on a break from homeschool and we're gonna be doing a cool science project. The boys are gonna make a boat out of aluminum foil and we're gonna float it down the creek.
I already made a sail.
That is so cool, man. That's awesome. That's creative. So as I'm walking out, trying to do a few things, gonna feed some scraps to the pigs. Gonna check on Missy. We're still waiting for her to deliver her kid. Hot chocolate was delivered February 2nd. It's April now. It's 2 months difference of when they were impregnated, when the does were impregnated. So we're still waiting though. We're checking her ligaments every day, and as you can tell, our sheep now are in the pasture. I don't know if you can tell, they're way up there. We're gonna go out to the creek. It is windy and cold out today. My hat just blew right off. I hope you can hear me. I got the fuzzy on the microphone today. Hey, where's the chain?
Oh.
I need the chain, buddy. That's all right, man. I need the chain. Can you help me real quick? I only got one hand right now. Here, I'll get it. All right, so I got some extra aluminum foil and some paper and straws.
Who did 6 years? Birthday yesterday, didn't you come? They had a birthday party yesterday. Did you put the straws?
Yep, I got everything.
Daddy, can I have some?
Let's go. We'll go up and have the boats come down.
Up where?
Up a little bit on the creek.
I want to make a boat.
Yep, I got everything.
All right, let's make a speedboat.
I got nice.
Just put a little.
Everyone make a boat, and then I'll.
Probably mold it around this.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea.
Make a boat.
Use mud.
Mud?
Clay.
Here you go, guys.
I don't know how to make a boat.
Let's see here. Go like this.
Make one. Make runs.
I'm gonna make wrens.
Show me your boat. Bring it up.
I'm gonna put a golf ball in it and see what happens.
Here. Look at your boat, Ram. Whoa, yours is. Uh-oh. Hey, here it comes. You're taking in water, Wes.
What?
You're taking in water.
Oh no! I'm sinking!
How's yours doing, Jetty?
He's sinking. What's in the golf ball? Mine turned! Mine's backward! Mine ran! What a lovely day down by the bay. That's what the problem is.
Jetty's design worked pretty well.
I made a different design for Landon.
Okay, let's see what yours is, Landon. Ooh, a square. Let's see yours. Ooh, can't wait to see how that one works.
Man, there's so many projects I want to do. I want to clear this out for the pond. I gotta clear out the tree of life. Oh, we gotta make a new boat. You're getting wet. You're gonna get cold, buddy.
I know, because I
Also want to do some landscape around the house. There's so many projects. I just don't know what to do.
You could quit your job, stay home from work,
And not worry about it. That's the ideal. That would be the perfect situation.
But we all
Right now,
have to do it at the same time.
doing the best we can though. Full-time job, homesteading, raising a family.
This makes me want hot dogs, like
Hot dogs?
because of the it looks like something that you would like.
Oh, like you
Yeah, at
wrap
a
the tin
baseball
foil?
game.
Yeah. That's funny.
Whoa.
Mama, is it
Yep, the fence is off.
Here, can we lift you up? Don't get stuck in there.
Where are you guys going? Ren, what you doing? Whoa, there's your boat. It's going upstream. What is it doing? You got a motor on that thing or what? Whoa! Is it working out good, buddy? There it goes. Oh, it's floating. Oh, Daisy. Let's get on the other side. As I'm walking around the paddock, I can see some sprouts growing. I don't know if you can tell, like right there, right here. So the chickens have not taken all of the seeds, which is awesome. I haven't seen any sunflower seeds laying around. Whoa, what do you got? Is it going? Yeah. Is it going?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Uh-oh. I'm coming. I'm not leaving you, girl. I'm not leaving you. So that's really cool. I'm hoping the sunflower seeds with the rain that we've had have gotten into the soil. And you know, the chickens are gonna get a few, but like I said, they're gonna deposit them throughout our property. So we'll probably see sunflowers randomly here and there, which would be so cool. You wanna go see Mama? All right, but they haven't got all of them, so which is really cool. Our sheep are really excited because they are out on fresh pasture. Our lambs are growing really big, really fast. You can definitely tell that they got a lot of the Katahdin genes. Their legs are super thick, and the coarseness of their coat is more of a hair like the Katahdin and not a wool like the Eastern Frisian. So they'll get some pretty good meat out of them. They're both rams, so yeah, that'd be good on a rotisserie. Did it go?
Go!
It's floating.
3, 2, 1.
We gotta fix the tube. The intake's not coming out.
Don't start it right by the waterfall. It gets sucked into the waterfall.
Daddy, how does it get sucked in?
It's an undertow.
That's science.
Mine
That's
goes
not STEM.
backwards. Ready, set,
Oh, this is STEM class. All right. So we're doing STEM class, not science. That's my fault.
Go. Hey! Oh, hey! Get
That's so
here.
cool.
Hey, watch out! Let me move! Damn, I'm still in the weed. Yeah, you see that.
Let's see how they do.
Daisy.
Right, let's just see how they do that.
Yay! No, my square broke. No! Oh my god! Yes! My back! Busted! I had to, it's stuck.
Are we supposed to be letting them in the water? We don't have swim class. Oh, there's it right there. We gotta make sure we pick all this stuff up too. No pollution on this farm, right?
My boat.
Dude, you are a disaster right now.
Get me!
Yep. Oh my goodness, man. You're gonna be so cold. So the wind is ripping through here right now. Everyone went inside. I do not blame them. But another project that we're going to be doing is starting to put eggs in the incubator. And we're going to be doing some duck eggs. We're going to try to do that. We've never done it. So we do need to do a little research on it. And we thought, let the boys help out with that. As we're reading, we'll read to them. Get them reading, get them involved too, because we haven't had great success with the incubator. Well, so we want to do better, but we're gonna see if they got any eggs right now. The duck usually lays in with the chicken, so that's kind of neat. What we got? Hey, no poking me, no poking me. We got a duck egg? Nice. The chicken was underneath a duck egg, so that's really neat. So, and I think we got one here, and then we have 3 inside. So we got a few eggs we'll be able to put in now. We'll end up dating them. And I'm not too sure how long duck eggs it takes. Sorry for the wind, guys. It's blowing. I believe if I remember correctly, chickens are like 21 days. So, like I said, we gotta do some research on it. We haven't had any broody hens, but I'm sure we will, especially when the grass starts growing. I bet we'll have baby chicks running around here just on their own, just with the hens laying, because we have chickens laying random spots, especially these white ones. We do have one rooster, so he is mating with some of the hens. So we'll have some baby chicks. Let's ask Mr. Google Pants
Who's there?
how to incubate.
Look at who?
Banana peel.
Book your video.
First search, how to incubate a duck egg. Let's see here. We're just looking for common facts. Do you remember what kind of ducks we have? Muscovy, that's it. Muscovy. All right, Muscovy ducks take 35 days to hatch. Let's see what the humidity is gonna be.
So that'd be like right before Weston's birthday, or like around Landon's birthday.
All right, duck eggs turn 3 times a day, so that's not too bad. We could do morning, lunch, and dinner.
I'd say, how about set your alarm for...
I can do one a day. I can do like one in a Western. So at first I could do
Humidity.
one. Western.
So this says the temperature's gotta be at 99 degrees and humidity at 55%. So it says 3 days before expected hatching, remove the eggs from the incubator and place them on a hatching incubator. We only have one, so I'm gonna keep it how it is.
What's a hatching incubator? Is what we have?
Well, a hatching incubator is just lined so they can walk. It's an open leg. Anyway. So the last 3 days we basically don't move them, and we don't open. We don't open it. We don't move them.
Mama.
Hatching rate is 33 to 50%. Did you hear that?
What is it?
Hatching rate is 33. Hatching rate is 33 to 50%.
So that makes me feel less
Yeah.
bad about our hatching rates here in our house. Hatching rates for incubator, hatching rates for...
Whatever. Blah, blah, blah.
I wish she would lay them and sit on them so that we didn't
I
have
bet
to do
they
her
will.
work for her.
She will. I guarantee you. So
She won't if we keep taking them. But the thing is that she's laying them in multiple spots.
she needs
so
to lay them.
it's not even like we could...
Yeah, in one cluster.
Because I think what happens if it's the same as like with turkeys is they keep laying every day until like 10 days. And then they sit. But if we keep taking them, she'll keep laying them. You know what I mean?
Well, we should stop taking them. So we
But
have 4.
she's been laying them all over the place. So I don't think she's broody.
Well, 3 times I've picked them up out of the egg box. The same egg box. So she's going back to the same egg box.
I wonder if they would...
So,
if the chickens would leave them alone.
so that's pretty easy. So I just got all that information from JoeBeliefFarm.com. I'm actually gonna put a link down in the description. It's a blog. I've never, or a vlog. No, it's a blog. I've never seen it before. However, it was pretty easy laid out. It was a good article, and we're gonna run with it. We don't know much about duck eggs or incubating duck eggs. I think we tried to last year. Nothing happened with them. We did hatch some eggs, and our guard goose we ended up hatching from our incubator as well. So that's pretty cool. We released a Japanese goose, 2 of them, in our pasture, and they ended up going over to our neighbor's pasture, and one actually got eaten. But before that, we ended up getting a couple geese eggs, and we ended up hatching those. So that was pretty cool. One of them died, and one of them is our current guard goose. That's pretty neat. We should write those stats down so we don't forget it. So 35 days,
35 days.
temperatures at 99 degrees, and humidity's at 55. So
The entire time? Or
it said the entire time. I'm gonna read the article again, but
well, that's easy.
yeah.
I
So-
think we should just, though, do this instead.
I would
Put
keep
Remy?
it in here.
So Remy said he's gonna sit on the egg for 35
And I'll
days.
keep it in here.
You're gonna put it in the sock?
No, it's the glove.
Oh.
The pop one.
And then you would be the mama duck.
Mama.
Well,
I'll
let's
keep
get
it
this
here.
in and start the
I'll
35
keep it in
days.
here.
Duck eggs are pretty cool. Look at those
4
suckers.
eggs? Oh, that is it.
So yeah, we got 4 we're gonna put in,
Pop.
and potentially we'll just put more because I read the hatching success rate is 33 to 50%. So that's not too good. And I think we just lost an egg. Did it crack?
Nope.
You sure?
No way is that still whole. Oh my gosh, it didn't crack.
Well, they are pretty tough.
Oh, I'm laying an egg.
Cool.
I'm
Hey guys, let's get them in so we don't accidentally break them.
Put X's and O's on them.
Yep, we'll get some X's and O's. Anyone know where marker is? Joanna brought up a good point. We're gonna use a pencil so no marker ink goes through the shell, because the shell is permeable. So we got the O,
And then an X.
and then what X?
Why you just do an O and an O?
Well, that way we know what side it's on. All of them are gonna be on the X, or all of them will be on the O.
Okay.
Okay? So here's mine. Can you go put that in the incubator?
Can I put two in the incubator? Like what? Can I put that one and this one on?
Well, how do you know Weston's gonna put two in? What if I still want to put one in?
Yeah. But why did you ask Weston? Because that one's his. I put
Well, that was just the first one.
Why is one on X? I don't know.
Well, awesome. We got these eggs all set up in the incubator, and we actually put the date on them as well. John did a good point, because if we add eggs to them, we won't be able to keep track of which ones, which ones we put in first. So I'm gonna finish putting those dates, and then I'm gonna end this video, guys. I really appreciate you coming along today. Hey, you wanna say goodbye?
Goodbye.
All right, so we really appreciate you guys hanging out with us today, taking the time out of your day to watch our lives. And if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button, hit a thumbs up if you like what you see, and don't be afraid to leave some comments, all right?
Hit the bell.
And hit the bell, and hit that subscribe button once again, all right? We'll see you guys around.
Bye-bye. Hit that subscribe button.